LowVrGamer is here back again. And today we will discuss about this robot and what I think easily he can do.
First of all, this robot is controlled remotely all the time. He don't have any intelligence, as they say. He can't do anything without remote control, so we will be clear from the beginning. I have an idea about how we can actually achieve the automatic, or let's say his own intelligence, so he can do what we want without the remote control. As we saw in numerous videos, this robot is really easy to control, and also he don't do any noise in comparison with other robots, and that's what is making this robot so precious in comparison with others. I have a brilliant idea that can make this robot behave without the assistance of any other remote human that should control the Neo robot.
And this idea is Google Gemini. We already have a free app that can be used, for instance, on Android, and with that app we can share our screen and the Google AI Gemini is understanding all the time the environment. Why don't we implement this using the Google Gemini and the robot to be able to share its own on-screen board camera, and the Google Gemini can guide him with real actions like go forward, grab that, go left, go right, and the robot can use this already make intelligence to auto-control without the need of a remote external paid person to control it. So if this robot can interact with Google Gemini real-time interaction with share screen and its master will say go and clean my room, a big task can be sent to Google Gemini to help with the robot actions, and the robot can do this real-time actions but not from a human being but from an artificial intelligence to complete its tasks. So this will solve the issue with the human remote control interaction. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day. Hope you'll consider this and implement as fast as possible. This and the future in robotics will be great. AI will guide the robot actions and the robot will do the big tasks user asks.